and Dr. Boniface Malala of MKU, dedicated members of the ICT team, the county officials, esteemed tutors from Kenyatta University and Mount Kenya University, diligent youth trainers, honorable ladies and gentlemen, bonjour. My name is Helen Komboka, in readiness for Step 4Y, Nyamira chapter. Bienvenue. In Nyamira's embrace, Governor Nyaribo stands tall. For Step 4Y's triumph, we extend our heartfelt call, guiding the country's stride towards progress and more. Congratulations, a leader we deeply adore. NATCOM's steadfast support, a beacon bright, ensuring Step 4Y success takes its flight. In their diligent care, the program finds its way, a partnership ensuring a brighter day. Dr. Nawiri of KU and Dr. Malala of MKU, mentors from Mount Kenya and Kenyatta's halls, for imparting wisdom that within us installs. Paths to self-employment, they deftly untold. Gratitude for lessons that transform lives untold. In the digital realm, the ICT team's prowess shines. Bundles provided, connectivity aligns. Despite power challenges that test our might, youth step forth, eager to embrace the training light. Merci à vous.
Mindset towards being job creators rather than being job seekers. As I welcome you to this graduation ceremony, let me share a few highlights of our last 8 days with these young ones. Nyamira County government was key in supporting recruitment of over 300 youth, out of whom 130 were selected for the training, considering age, gender, education level, and persons living with disability. Indeed, the county came in very strongly to flag off the online training led by Waziri CS Emily. Thank you so much, Madam. We were humbled. It is on this day that the announcement to have a physical graduation was made. Post-COVID, this is the very first physical graduation. Makofi kwetu, Nyamira County. The 8-day virtual training from 22nd to 31st January entailed 14 interactive modules. There were 26 trainers and facilitators from KU, MKU, and NATCOM, all being senior faculty staff and certified by Lufana University. We bring their greetings today. The youth embraced team spirit and were a dedicated set of young minds that showed willingness to learn. We, coordinators, constantly cross-checked your participation through video calls, and overall, the attendance from Nyamira County is scored at 99%. Makofi kwa youth from Nyamira County. During training, there was room for talent development, and it is worth noting that the development of talents that we have been shown today was done during the training. Makofi tena kwa our entertainers. Trainers embrace teamwork and have expressed this as a great experience interacting with great entrepreneurial minds and that had great ideas which need to be nurtured by the county. As coordinators, it was delighting to gain more experience on online planning, monitoring, and implementing and training. This memorable experience required commitment, multitasking, patience, and keeping youthful, which called on us kuongea kama vijana. Ilibidi tuongee kama vijana. And so we were addressed, and I particularly as Muliniitaje, dear youth. We have constant connection with youth, trainers, county officers, and our partner NATCOM. The phone calls, emails, texts, joining live sessions, and the hundreds of WhatsApp messages. I commend the swift teamwork support from NATCOM. Dr. Ngoto, Madam Jacqueline, Lona, Mildred, and even the entire team from NATCOM. Thank you so much. The youth voices were always loudly typed and remain memorable. Admit me, please, host. We are in the waiting room. I was logged out. My network was poor. Stima ilikuwa imepotea. My bundles had expired. My charge was low. Sijui link iko wapi jameni? Link gani tunatumia leo? Hata sijui niko wapi sasa. Niko kwa group ama kwa breakout. Mimi nimekuwa marked absent na nilikuwa present. My microphone cannot unmute. Na hata mic yenyewe sasa imeenda wapi? Host, please admit me. And bundles zinalipwa saa ngapi? Hizi bundles za leo ama za juzi? Ama ni za kesho? Bundles, bundles, bundles. Those were overwhelming, but with teamwork we did it. Ama aje vijana? Secretary General Representative, evidently the youth were so excited whenever bundles were received, whether in the morning, daytime, evening, at night. It was always exciting to read their thank you. White smoke imefika. KCB imefanya ile kitu. Fuliza haitaniona tena. I have received, but bundles zikichelewa. Wacha nisichome. Youth ni youth. Bottom line, sir, in our county government, you made the youth always proud of NATCOM and the county government of Nyamira, in addition to the knowledge they acquired. All said, we are here today, dear youth, we made it. We did? We made it. Mr. Malala will say a word. Thank you.
Today, we gather here to celebrate remarkable journey of knowledge, innovation, and empowerment. The Nyamira County Government, in collaboration with Save4Y, proudly present the graduation of dedicated entrepreneurship trainees. In this auspicious occasion, we reflect upon the transformative power of education, collaboration, and entrepreneurial spirit. Today, we gather here to celebrate remarkable journey of knowledge, innovation, and empowerment. Nyamira County Government, in collaboration with Save4Y, proudly presents the graduation of dedicated entrepreneurship trainees. In this auspicious moment, we reflect upon the transformative power of education and collaboration, the entrepreneurial spirit. Each graduate before us has not only acquired knowledge, but has also embraced the responsibility to inspire and guide aspiring entrepreneurs in Nyamira County. Our partnership with UNESCO, Mount Kenya University, and NATCOM has provided a robust platform for honing the skills required to nurture the entrepreneurial ecosystem. Together we have championed innovation, creativity, and resilience, empowering trainees to be catalysts of positive change. As we stand on the precipice of a new era, let me acknowledge the profound impact these trainees will have on the economic landscape of Nyamira County. Their dedication and commitment will undoubtedly pave way for flourishing community of entrepreneurs, driving sustainable growth and prosperity. To the graduates, your journey doesn't end here, it evolves. You are the architects of dreams, the mentors of future business leaders, and the ambassadors of change. Carry the torch of entrepreneurship with pride, integrity, and relentless pursuit of excellence. Allow me to take this moment to humbly request the county government of Nyamira, through His Excellency the Governor in absentia, Amos Jaribo, to continue supporting these young entrepreneurs so that they can get access to funding, mentorship, and resources in order to empower them, turn their ideas into sustainable enterprises. In conclusion, allow me extend my heartfelt gratitude to our partners for their unwavering support in fostering entrepreneurship. To the graduates, I commend you for your hard work and determination. May you continue to inspire, innovate, and make lasting impact on the entrepreneurial landscape. Congratulations, entrepreneurship graduates. The future beckons, and you are well prepared to shape it. Thank you for listening to me, and may God bless you all.